No, most hearts couldn't withstand this voltage. But I'm fairly certain your heart...
1, 2...
Well, I've got a slight cough and a fever.
My diagnosis is you're gonna fucking die!
It's that time of year again.
You see, isn't it nice to get out of the house? You can get some fresh air, and I can get over my irrational fear of rabbits.
What makes you think I won't win this match? Wait.
Chef Pee-Pee? Chef Pee-Pee, please answer me.
Hey, what's going on here?
Ever since Chef Pee-Pee found out that Tom Brady unretired, he hasn't moved. He just keeps making that face. Bah! Chef Pee-Pee? Bah! What's he doing?
Oh, he's doing that because Tom Brady's the GOAT, and he's back.
Bah!
How's it going, Mr. No Bones?
Jesus Christ, what the fuck is your problem?
I haven't seen you since last fall.
Nurse! Nurse!
Presidential pardon, bitch. You can't do shit. Look at me go.
Ah!
Alright, well,